Right here in this square, history was made. Once in Europe, it was said that after Second World War, it's impossible the European countries can come together. Yes, they have come together. Some said it's impossible the Berlin Wall will collapse. It did. Many said that Nelson Mandela cannot be released from prison. But it did. And many said that Arab countries, Islam and democracy are not compatible. After a year and a half, we see Egyptian voting. Where is Gaddafi? Where is Hosni Mubarak? Where is Ben Ali of Tunisia? Democracy is flourishing in Arab countries because it is possible. Democracy is universal.